Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of only we click on settings. Here you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then you will search about Omni app and you will click. Here you will go to first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your attention.